If you're trying to play an SWF file in VLC Media Player and nothing happens, you're not doing anything wrong. VLC does not support SWF files directly because SWF is a Flash format and Flash is officially discontinued. So the only way to play an SWF file in VLC is to first convert it into a supported video format like MP4. To do that, you will need a reliable SWF to MP4 converter, and many free tools are available online and offline. After converting the SWF file to MP4, make sure the video plays correctly before opening it in VLC. Now open VLC Media Player, click Media, then open File, and select the converted MP4 video. The video should now play normally in VLC with full control over playback speed and subtitles. If the SWF file was interactive like a game or menu, that interactivity will be lost after conversion. For interactive SWF files, VLC is not the right tool, and using a Flash emulator or archive player is required. But for simple animations and videos, converting to MP4 is the fastest and safest solution. And that's it. If the video helped you out, like the video, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video.